Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Capricorn, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. We have Knight of Cups, Two of Wands, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are someone really skilled and talented, guys, and you are in a important place in your work. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager, someone holding lot of authority and power, and maybe you are seeing lucrative returns in your work, in your career, and you are happy, content and satisfied with the way things are going, guys. And maybe your happiness and your success may be the reason for jealousy, guys, with the people around you. So, in your relationship, for some of you, this person, really likes you, they adore you for your qualities, they, like to be with you. But still, they are, seeing you as someone really successful, not like them. Maybe they are not successful enough like you. Even they are successful in their own way, guys. Maybe they may be happy, but your achievements and whatever you do is something beyond their reach, they may feel. And they are quite jealous or they are quite envious of you, guys, and this may lead to some kind of conflicts, quarrels in your situation. Maybe they are not voicing out what they truly feel, so they are trying to hide their emotions. They don't want to show their emotions to you, but they are speaking indirectly, maybe for some of you, because they cannot be outright jealous. So it may be their energy or someone close to you, guys. Maybe in your family, it may be someone close to you. They are quite jealous and they are not to be trusted, guys. Maybe if you have known this person for quite some time and if you feel that they are trustworthy and loyal, then you can reveal all your success stories and secrets to them. But if not, you must be careful, Capricorn, with this person, because they are very jealous of you and they are constantly arguing on certain things because of this jealousy, guys. And maybe today it may be your energy, guys, or their energy towards you. Maybe today for some of you, there is some news or something coming, an important news or an important message coming your way, guys. It may be something related to your relationship or it may be something related to your career. So even in your career situation, there are people who are quite jealous of you and they consider you as their rival and they may be trying to work against you, guys, Capricorn. So you need to be really careful. So it may be this message, guys, it may be something from the person you are in relationship with. Maybe they are telling you something. For some of you, I see it may be a bad news, guys, but for most of you, it may be a good news. Maybe for some of you, this person is not jealous. Maybe they are happy about your success and they want engagement or marriage with you. That may be the good news reaching you today, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Capricorn, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Capricorn, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So we have Never Ending Story. This is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, guys, in your relationship, in your circumstances today, you are repeatedly going through in your mind what happened, guys, what happened in your past. All that pain, that loneliness, abandonment and rejection that you felt. And you instead of telling the happy things that you experienced, the joy you had, the love you experienced and that deep bond and connection you had with that person, you are thinking and remembering the negative aspects of that relationship, and maybe that shame and fear and low self-esteem may be the greatest challenges you are facing that is preventing you from having a good relationship today. So your past and all that pain and fear of intimacy, maybe telling this person you are with all your pain and whatever happened in your past, that is the reason for stress and emotional baggage in this relationship, guys, and that is causing lot of problems for you in this connection, guys. So you need to have compassion for yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened, and tell yourself a positive story, the way you were, the way the relationship was. So all that positive things that happened, and you can do it because whatever you are telling yourself right now, it is only your point of view. It may be that story may be entirely different with that other person, guys. So you have to tell yourself positive things, have positive thoughts in your mind and be positive today, and that is what is going to break the story of sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So for those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is Hansel, Survival. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not be gullible. You should not be that innocent person who will fall for others' tricks. So you should use your wits, think fast, and access your inner genius and work out the way. Maybe you need to overcome your fear. You may feel fear, you may be afraid of certain things, but that fear should bring about smartest thinking and smart action in your circumstances, giving you courage and strength to handle your situation. So opportunity is there for you to work with someone. Maybe there is another person just like you, they are just hurt like you and they are here to help you maybe, and you can make use of this help you are getting today, guys. And No matter what your situation is, no matter how big challenges you are facing in this relationship or in your life, in your work situation or wherever it is, guys, you are you are a very compassionate person and you have your own skills and talents. You need to have that trust in yourself, guys, and you must implement the clever ideas that you have within you today to avoid further difficulties, and you are a greatest inspiration. So whatever challenging situation you are in, guys, you find the right way to come out of it, and you have leadership skills and you are a very compassionate and kind person. You help others, so that may be the reason people love you and people appreciate you for that. So maybe circumstance or there is someone waiting to put you down or pull you down, but you need to show them your strength, your true strength, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.